The court listened to the testimony previously from Deputy Phillips. It also heard the testimony from Deputy Robb. So the counts that we have that the prosecution is requesting for bind over are assault with intent to murder. That would be on Deputy Phillips. There's fleeing and eluding. That would be on Deputy Robb. There's receiving and concealing a motor vehicle, an unlawful driving away, and a resisting and obstructing causing injury. And I think that last one goes to Deputy Phillips. So I know it's been a bit, so we probably should go over what the prior testimony was. The testimony from the Deputy Phillips was that on April 15th, he was on road patrol. He'd gotten a call that referenced a stolen vehicle at the Marriott. He responded, had contact with the owner. The vehicle described as stolen was a gray Ford that was stolen sometime during the night. I don't know if we ever really narrowed that down to exactly what time that vehicle would have been stolen. That was entered into lien. At some point, they got to the cul-de-sac in West Willow, where the GPS told them that the vehicle would be found. They first got there, they couldn't see the plate because the vehicle was facing them. I believe that when they pulled up, they were facing the vehicle. They're probably, 20 to 30 feet away from the vehicle. Again, it was facing them. And while they may not have been directly head on, they were in front of them with their headlights facing each other. The officer testified, Deputy Phillips, that he could see that there were at least two people in the vehicle at the time, that they pulled up. But then once they came to a stop, they said they were going to conduct a modified felony stop. Deputy Phillips said to unholster his pistol. Two passengers then got out. And so two people got out of the vehicle. And they started walking away from a patrol car as well as the vehicle that they were in. So they couldn't see the driver at first. Later could see who the driver was at about 15 feet. So he yelled to the driver to turn the car off. So I believe the car was still running at this time. This point, his weapon is drawn. He says that he stepped out away from his vehicle into a space. This is a cul-de-sac. And as the testimony was developed, there was a space between the front of his vehicle, where he was the passenger, got out, and a space in the street from where a vehicle could pass through. He said he got out, couldn't recall whether or not he raised his hand, but he did get out and he got into that space. He said he could see the vehicle, the wheels turning, and that